Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EG4000 EG4000 is a portable generator that stands out in the crowded market of power solutions. With its robust 4,000 watt output, this generator is perfectly suited for a variety of applications, from home backup power during outages to outdoor events and job sites. The 270 cubic centimeters engine is efficient and reliable, providing consistent power with minimal noise, thanks to Honda's advanced engineering. One of the most notable features is the co-minder system, which continuously monitors carbon monoxide levels, automatically shutting down the unit if they become dangerously high. This safety feature is invaluable for users who may operate the generator in enclosed spaces, offering peace of mind. The generator is equipped with multiple outlets, including both 120V and 240V options, making it versatile enough to power small appliances, tools, and even larger equipment. The two 120V outlets are ideal for everyday household devices, while the 240V outlet can handle more demanding machinery, making it a perfect companion for construction projects or RV trips. The generator's design incorporates a durable frame and wheels, allowing for easy transport and maneuverability, which is a significant advantage for users needing to relocate it frequently. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Honda EG4000 shines again. With an impressive runtime for its size, it can provide up to 11 hours of power on a single tank of gas at a 25% load. This not only means fewer refueling stops but also fuel savings over time. The intuitive controls and easy start mechanism make it user-friendly, even for those who may not have prior experience with generators. Overall, the Honda EG4000 EG4000 portable generator is an excellent investment for anyone needing reliable power. Its combination of safety features, power output, and portability makes it a standout choice in its class. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or planning an outdoor adventure, this generator delivers performance and peace of mind.